Hey guys, this is comedy. Wait. Wait. If you're eating, click off this video right now if you're eating. You don't want to.
Please. You don't want to hear this when you're eating because it's very disgusting. So Sam's Cola is not sponsored.
Yeah, Sam's Cola is not sponsored. She just burped up. She burped up Coca-Cola.
Okay.
What is your problem? You sound like a donkey. Wait, let me get closer to the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to her channel. Welcome back to Lacey's channel. Oh, welcome back. Welcome back to Lacey's channel.
That's so disgusting.
Sorry guys for my loud laugh. If you're wearing earbuds, be quiet. Guys, if you're wearing earbuds, sorry for my really loud laugh. Your ears will probably hurt. Sorry, guys.
That hurt my throat.
But guys, do you know what she did? As she was burping, soda came out of her mouth.
I know. You can see it on my shorts.
Demonetized! Okay, YouTube's gonna... Demonetized! That's demonetization.
That's all I had to do.
Okay, that's getting annoying. Hit the whoa. Okay. Bye, guys.
Peace out.